Hello and welcome to this review of my 5-day, 50 hours and 74-minute print multi-material with my Bambulab and the AMS system. I'm so happy that this print just finished, and let's check it out. Have a look at this. Ooh! Multicolor print, 3 drum shells in one print, 4 colors, this camouflage design. It's been a dream of mine forever to have a camouflage drum, and I had to do it on my own. Get out of here. Wow. Comes off pretty easy. I'm so excited, I can't believe it. Wow, take a look at this. This is just the prime tower, as it's called. It just fitted in like that. It's a 10-inch drum, one 10-inch, one 8-inch, and a 6-inch drum. Oh my god, this looks so nice, I can tell you. Wow. Whew. It was hard to construct it, but it worked out really nice. And the colors are brilliant. I'm so happy. I just had a little bit of a problem with the first spool inside here. As the filament got pushed back, it didn't spool up on the spool. It didn't just rewind perfect. So the filament just got tangled all over and also got stuck here. So it was there was a nice message here every hour that the filament got stuck somehow, and I had to rewind it and make sure everything was in place. I printed continue, and it continued like nothing happened. So you can't see anything going wrong in the print here. Oh, maybe something down here, but maybe that's another issue. We'll check it out later. Yeah. But it was so often, it should have been a ruined print, but it's not at all. And then I came up with those stickers, as you can see it here. And those stickers then continued to press the spool just down a little bit, and also prevented the filament to go all over the place. So this really helped, and then I could sleep at night. And just to have a final look at all the poop. Yeah, there's some waste material, but when I look at them at the quality of the print, and I reduce the normal settings to about, I think, 30% of the automatic calculation of the material you need. So it's just 30% of that, and the colors turn out to be really nice. And when it's a lot of mass, it's a lot of volume, but it's not so much. Oops, it's not so much weight. I really can live with that. I think this is a really great working multi-material system. And this print, I think it's the maximum print that you can do with a multi-material system. Those 4 colors had to be changed every layer from start to finish. And it's just looking awesomely nice. Yeah, there's something happening here. Okay. There's a layer shift, just a little bit. I'll have to check it out without the camera first. But overall, this is a brilliant print, and I'm so amazed. It will be a nice drum. Okay, just to take another look at those brilliant drums. Look at this quality. 3D printed for 5 days with 4 colors and just a little bit of a, you can't see it right here, just a little bit, just a small layer shift here. Can you see it? Next drum the same. Everything is really close to perfect. Really close to perfect. With just a little small line going all around here. Also the inside. Yeah, there's this kind of a layer shift, and there must be another one on top. Yeah, but really tiny one. I don't know what happened there. You can't see it everywhere. It's just on one special spots. Wow. Now the biggest one, 10-inch. Look at this print. I can't believe it. 4-color multi-material print. Wow. With just only one small layer shift. You can see it here. This looks brutal. Yeah. But it's on the other side, you can't see it at all. Here. Close to nothing. Yeah, so, okay. This is not the beauty side, but a great set of small concert toms in honor to my favorite drummer, Taylor Hawkins. I just missed this guy. He had those drums next to his drum set, and I just fell in love with the idea of having drums next to your drum set, and this will be, I think, a good honor for him. Yeah. See you, bye.